Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to add music to your Instagram story. The process is really easy. I'll get straight to the point. So first of all, open Instagram on your phone. And as you can see on the screen, this is the homepage of Instagram. On the homepage, you'll have to tap on the Your Story option at the top left corner so that you can add your story. Then you can add any picture that you want to post. After you select the picture for your post, you'll have to tap on the stickers icon at the top of the page. Then you'll see this kind of menu, and here you can see the 7th option, that is music. Go ahead and tap on it. Now you can search for any song that you want to attach to your story and simply tap on it. After you select the song, you'll also be able to select what part of the song you want to post to your story. For that, you'll simply have to slide through this sliding bar at the bottom, and you can manage where you want to start the song and where you want it to end. Now you can also see that the lyrics to the song is being displayed on the screen. You can also manage this in various formats using these options at the bottom. You can choose from many different options. So when you're done, simply tap on Done at the top right corner of the page. You can also drag the lyric and adjust it wherever you want to on the screen. Now you can simply tap on the Your Story option at the bottom left corner of the screen and it will be uploaded. So as you can see on the screen, the story has been uploaded with the music. This is it for the tutorial. I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to like the video and stay tuned for further tutorials. Thank you.